Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 11th electronics subject. Dear students, today I may continue my topic AC signals. Today I may express and throw light on characteristics of sine waves. Characteristics of sine waves. Dear students, this is the sine wave. This is a sine wave. It's known as a sine wave. It's a complete cycle from this to this end. Is a complete cycle. Is a complete cycle. It's known as a sine wave of this type. Which I have discussed already with you. And this is being its positive end, and this is being its negative end. So today I may discuss the different characteristics of sine waves. A sinusoidal wave AC has the following characteristics. What type of characters they are? I will tell you. It's one complete cycle spreads over 360 degree. Spreads one complete cycle. It's a complete cycle which spreads over 360 degree. This is your 360 degree. This is 2 into pi. Pi is 180 value. This is 2 into pi. Pi is having 180 value. When you multiply, that's being equal to 360 degree. I am telling you here that a complete cycle spreads over 360 degrees. It completes its revolution, its turn, its cycle up to 360 degrees. That was the first step, first characteristic of sine wave. These are the sine waves which I have drawn here. These are the sine waves which I have drawn here. So we are discussing the characteristics of it. So number second is its polarity reverses at every cycle. You see here, its polarity, I am telling you, reverse at every cycle. It reverses at every cycle. This is a complete cycle. Then again it will go like this. It will again go like this and this. That's why we are telling that its polarity reverses. It reverses after every cycle. It's positive cycle, it's negative cycle. It reverses its polarity at every cycle. This was the second characteristics of sinusoidal wave or sine wave. This was the second characteristics of it. It has maximum positive value. It has maximum positive value equal to at 90. You see, this is 90 here. This is 90 here. 180 divided by 2, that's equal to 19. It has maximum value. When you go straight away up to here, it says that it has maximum value at 90 degree. It has maximum value at 90 degree for positive cycle for positive end of the cycle. Maximum value, peak value, which you can, its peak is here, and this peak I have already told you, this is from 0 to this peak. This length is known as amplitude also, and it has a maximum value at 90. This 90, its state you will go, it has a maximum value at here, and it has a negative maximum value up to 270. This is your 270. 3 into 180 divided by 2, that is 270. Its minimum value, sorry, I must say its minimum value. When you go straight away, this is your its minimum. This is your negative cycle of the complete cycle. It has 270, the negative highest value. This was your third characteristic. Now I may tell you fourth. It has zero value at 0 and 80 degree. It has zero value where when you are having a cycle from this, it's zero here, 0, 200 and 360. It has zero value at both. Then it begins the next cycle from here. That's why we are telling it has a zero value at 0 and 360 and 180, sorry, and 180. Where is 180? And 180 here. It has zero value here, and then here it is your 180. It has got zero value at 0, and because here it starts goes for positive end, and then it completes its narration up to here, then it starts again here. It has zero value at two ends at 0 and 90 degree. This was your fourth. So now the fifth is it changes its values fastest when it crosses the zero axis. It changes its value when this pulse comes up to here, or you may say here, it changes its value after 0. It is changing its value, going down, coming again up to 360. This means it changes its value fastest. It changes its value fastest when it crosses the zero axis. When it crosses the zero axis we are taking here and here. Okay. Then it changes its values slowest when near its maximum value. Near its max, it changes value when the pulse goes up to this value. When it goes up to maximum value, it changes slowest. Changes when it goes to the peak, it goes in the slowest form, and near its maximum value, whether positive or negative, and slowest, and then comes downstairs in the slowest form. These were few characteristics of sine wave. So I may focus on its characteristics of sine wave. You may kindly write down these characteristics and learn it by heart. These are being asked in the examination. I'm focusing it on. You may kindly note down these characteristics and read it thoroughly. These are the next two. Okay, that will do for today. Assalamu alaikum.